Hello everyone, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ముగ్ధాట్ స్టూడియో. సో నేను ప్రీతి సింగ్ రాజ్పూత్ మళ్ళీ వచ్చేసాను టు షో యూ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కంచిపట్టు కలెక్షన్ అండ్ బ్రోకెట్ కలెక్షన్ ఇన్ దిస్ లైవ్. So I'm wearing a beautiful kanchipattu saree. You can see me. It's a beautiful violet color saree, and we have got ink blue color border actually with a green color finishing on it. We have got beautiful golden zari work low, small leaf motifs all over the saree and this is the blouse. Ink blue color lo icharu, brocade blouse with a border, and this is the pallu. So it's a beautiful kanchipattu saree and the price for this saree is 38,500. So display lo unna sarees chuddam. So this is a beautiful yellow color saree andi with a golden zari work on it. And we have a orange color contrast border. So the saree is in orange color actually. Orange color lo golden zari work icharu. And the price for this one is 38,500. So here goes our next saree in beautiful violet magenta color actually. And we have got pink color border andi, golden zari work icharu. We have this jal design and inside that we have these floral fillings andi. And the price for this saree is 32,500. And this is a beautiful yellow color kanchipattu saree andi with a green color contrast border. So saree lo chesi this is how the golden zari work is, and green border icharu. And the price for this one is 35,500. And this is our next saree. So here we have got this mehndi green color shine and butter, but this is a light shade of blue color. So it's a double shaded saree andi with a navy blue color border, and we have these beautiful floral motifs with golden zari work and silver zari work on the border ending. And the price for this saree is 25,800. And this goes a beautiful red color saree with yellow color border. So this is a very traditional color andi, and the price for this saree is 29. We have beautiful floral motifs andi all over the saree. So let me show you some more beautiful sarees from Kanchipattu collections andi. So this is in beautiful yellow color with pink color border. And we have silver zari work all over the saree. And pink color border icharu, golden zari work on it. This is a beautiful color combination and a traditional saree. So you all know this is a wedding collection andi. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Beautiful pink color blouse icharu, brocade blouse with a border. And the price for this saree is 38,000. So this goes our next saree in beautiful dark navy blue color. And we have got silver zari work on it. And we have got peach color, lighter shade of peach color border andi. So this is also a very beautiful color combination. And these are all traditional sarees for wedding purpose. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. We have a brocade blouse andi with a border. And the price for this saree is 33,500. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ వెరీ కలెక్షన్స్ అండి, వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కంచిపట్టు సారీస్ అండ్ బ్రోకెట్ సారీస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అవర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ yellow కలర్. With a green color border. So this is also a very traditional color. We have silver zari work andi with floral motifs all over the saree, and we have mehendi green color border. We have a big border this side and small border this side. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse andi. We have got a brocade blouse like this with a border. And the price for this saree I'll get back to you on the price of this saree, Andy. Let me show you the next one. So this is another beautiful kanchipattu saree in green color, and we have got these beautiful floral motifs, Andy, and red color border. So this is a very unique work on it, unique flower motifs, golden zari work icharu, and we have also got this green color zari work, and we have got red color border. And this is the pallu part, and we have got a brocade blouse and red color with a beautiful border. And coming to the price, this is 19,500. So this is the contact number only for you to place the order. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us on this WhatsApp number, which is mentioned here, so that our sales team can assist you further for processing your orders. And we mentioned a Google Pay number as well here, so please take a screenshot of this information and keep it handy. And we are not just shipping all over India, we are shipping globally as well. So let me show you some more sarees, kanchipattu sarees. This is a beautiful red color saree. So we have this violet color border, and saree lo manki ikkada jal design icharu, very small checked motifs icharu, and lopalo vachesi golden zari work icharu. And we have a small border this side and a big border this side, violet color border with golden zari work. We have these beautiful floral motifs, peacock motifs, and elephant motifs as well. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse, brocade blouse andi, violet color lo icharu with a golden zari border. And coming to the price, it's 32,500. Next saree chuddam. This is a beautiful green color saree andi. So we have a golden shine also on the saree, and we have got these beautiful floral and leaf motifs andi all over the saree, and golden border. Very beautiful color combination. And this is the pallu, and this is the blouse andi. And the price for this saree is 16,500. So here goes our next saree in beautiful red color. Beautiful red color and green color border. It's a mehendi green color actually. And manaki ikkada kuda beautiful silver zari work icharu. Silver zari work icharu and small border this side. So ikkada kuda small border icharu, and this is the pallu, and this is the blouse. We have a brocade blouse in green color and like this with a border. And the price for this sari is 38,500. So here goes our next sari, beautiful green color. So this is a beautiful green color with a pink color border ending. And we have got these beautiful floral motifs, and we also have bird motifs, and if you see the details with silver zari work. And small borders on both the sides. No, this side we have a 4-inch border ending, and this side we have a small border. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. We have a brocade blouse with a golden zari border. And coming to the price, this is 26,500. 26,500 is the price. This goes our next sea green color sari. And we have these beautiful floral motifs, and if you see the details of these motifs, which is made of gold and zari work. And you have a pink border. This side you have a small border, this side you have a 4-inch border. And this is the pallu part. And this is the blouse, brocade blouse in charity with a golden zari border. And the price for this sari is 38,500. This is our next sari, pure Kanchipattu and brocade sari. So I can see double shade here. So gold and pink, both the shades are visible. Actually we have this golden zari work here. So this is a very unique design, beautiful color, and we have got pink color border, both the sides, same border. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Brocade blouse, golden lo icharu, and pink color border icharu. And coming to the price, it is 32,500. This goes our next pure Kanchipattu sari in beautiful green color andi. It's a darker shade of parrot green color. So we have got this jal design, and inside that we have these beautiful fillings with golden zari work. And we have a red color. Beautiful combination, traditional sari, traditional colors. And this is the pallu part. And blouse వచ్చేసి brocade blouse ఇచ్చారు, red color లో golden zari work on it. And coming to the price, this is 32,500. Here goes our next sari, beautiful royal blue color and a pink color border. So very beautiful color combination. We have got 2 small borders on both the sides, and ikkada vachesi jal design icharu, and lopala vachesi polka dot design icharu, which is golden zari work. And border lo vachesi meeku big floral motifs iccharandi border daggara. And this is the pallu. And in this sari we have got a plain blouse with pink color and a golden zari border. And the price for this sari is 22,000. Here goes our next beautiful color. This is actually a pink color, and we have got this onion color as well. And ikkada manaki copper zari work lo leaf motifs iccharandi. If you check the details, you have these rudraksh motifs, and you have these beautiful leaf motifs made of copper zari. And this side we have a very small border, this side we have a big border and violet color finishing icharu. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. We have got a brocade blouse in this saree with a golden border. And the price for this saree is 32,500. Here goes our baby pink color saree. And look at this beautiful golden zari work here. And baby pink color saree lo manaki green color border ichcharandi, bottle green color. So very beautiful color combination. And we have got big borders on both the sides. And this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi bottle green color lo icharu with a golden zari border. And coming to the price, it's 38,500. So let me show you the next one. This is beautiful green color saree and we have got triangle motifs all over the saree with beautiful golden zari work. So these are very special for special occasions like wedding and all that purpose. And we have got pink color border for this saree with golden zari work on it. And this is the pallu part. And manaku vachesi ikkada brocade blouse ichcharandi with a golden zari border. And the price for this saree is 39,500. Here goes our next saree, beautiful red color. So this is a very traditional color and a traditional saree as well. So ikkada vachesi we have got 12-inch border and saree vachesi floral motifs lo undi, golden zari work on it. And we have got a very big border and green color lo finishing vachindi. This side we have got a small border with golden zari. And this is the pallu part. And so we've got green color blouse for this and a big border, so you can get it stitched accordingly. And the price for this one is 29,500. So this is a beautiful lighter shade of peach color indeed. So we have got golden zari work, square motifs all over the saree here. And we have got navy blue color border. So this is also a very beautiful color combination. And this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi manaki blue color lo brocade blouse icharu with a beautiful border. And the price for this saree is 38,500. So this is our beautiful green color saree with red color combination lo border icharu. And manaki ikkada golden zari work lo icharu mottam work. And red border lo pedda border icharu this side. Floral motifs icharu, leaf motifs icharu, golden zari work lo. This is also a very traditional color. And this shows the pallu part. And we have got a plain blouse for this saree which is red color and the big border. And coming to the price, it's 29,500. So మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ నంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఇది కూడా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని హ్యాండీగా పెట్టుకోండి because we have given very important information here. So we have the contact numbers here and we have mentioned the Google Pay number here for you to make the payment online. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us on this WhatsApp number, and our sales team will be there to assist you happily. And we have mentioned a Google Pay number. we're not just shipping all over India, we're shipping globally as well, Andy. So let me show you some more beautiful sarees in Kanchipattu. So this goes of a beautiful grey color. Checked motifs icharu, golden zari work lo, and local ochesi fillings icharu. So polka dot fillings icharu, golden zari work lo. And this is a beautiful border here, ante self border icharu. Golden zari work lo, rose gold icharandi, and pink color finishing edge icharu. And this is the pallu. So we have got these beautiful floral motifs on the pallu part, andi. You can see the details. Copper zari kuda icharu. And ఇక్కడ మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్ పింక్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ ఇచ్చారండి, బ్రోకెట్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ అ గోల్డెన్ జరీ బార్డర్. అండ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 29,500. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సీ బ్లూ కలర్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ద సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్, చెక్ మోటివ్స్, లోపల ఫిల్లింగ్స్ ఇచ్చారు, పోల్కట్ డాట్ ఫిల్లింగ్స్ విత్ సిల్వర్ జరీ వర్క్. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి సిల్వర్ జరీ వర్క్ ఇచ్చారు. This side we have a small border, this side we have got a big border andi, and pink color finishing edge icharu. And this is the pallu, and pink finishing edge icharu kabatti pink color lo blouse icharu. We've got beautiful border, big border andi, silver zari work lo chesaru. And the price for this saree is 32,500. Here goes our next saree in beautiful pink color. This is hot pink color saree andi, and magenta color border icharu. So we have this beautiful golden zari work andi. Magenta pink border, very big border. And this is the pallu. And మనకి ఇక్కడ magenta color లో brocade blouse ఇచ్చారు with a border on it. And the price for this saree is 32,500. This goes our next saree in beautiful parrot green color. And sea green color border ఇచ్చారు. Actually it's a sky blue color border andi with golden zari work on it. This is also a very traditional color and a very traditional saree, of course. And this goes the pallu part, and this goes the blouse, which is a brocade blouse in this beautiful sky blue color. You've got sky blue and yellow color shade. This is 32,500. This goes our pink saree with blue color border, pink, baby pink color anamata. And ikkada floral motifs golden zari work lo icharu. And this side we have a small border, and this side, look at the border here, we've got a big border. We've got peacock motifs and floral motifs made of golden zari work andi. And this is the pallu part. And this is the blouse. You've got a navy blue color with a border. And the price for this saree is 29,500. Here goes our next saree in beautiful light green color with a lighter shade of peach color border. So this is a very unique color. You can see silver zari work all over the saree andi, and silver zari work on the border as well. You have got peacock motifs on the border. And this is the blouse. This is the pallu, sorry. Pallu vachesi this is how it is. And blouse vachesi lighter shade of peach color lo icharu with a silver zari border. And the price for this saree is 30,999. this is our next saree in beautiful red color, red or pink. Actually, it's a double shaded saree. I can also see red and also see pink here. You have got these beautiful floral motifs and with golden zari work. This is a dark pink color saree actually. And you've got a big border on both the sides and same size border on both the sides. Golden zari work icharu border lo kuda. And this is how the pallu is. And blouse vachesi manaki ikkada simple plain blouse icharu with a golden zari border. And the price for this saree is 27,500. Here goes our next saree in beautiful orange color andi. And ikkada jal design ochindi and local vachesi fillings icharu. And manaki ikkada magenta pink color border icharanడి with a violet color finishing anamata. So pedda border icharu this side and this side small border. So this is also a very beautiful color combination. And this is how the pallu is. And blouse vachesi brocade blouse icharanడి. This is how the blouse is. And we have got this navy blue color blouse and golden zari border. And the price for this saree is 28,500. So this goes our green color saree, parrot green color saree lo pink color border icharu. So all over the saree we have golden zari work andi with beautiful floral motifs. And we have got big border this side and 12-inch border this side, which is of pink color andi. We have got these elephant motifs and mango motifs made of golden zari work. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse with a beautiful border. And the price for this saree is 28,500. Here goes our blue color saree. So this is a darker shade of sky blue actually. And maroon color border icharu. And all over the saree we have these beautiful floral motifs and made of golden zari work. And ikkada violet color border icharu. We have also got violet color work on this maroon color border. And this is the pallu part. And blouse vachesi darker shade of pink color lo icharu with a golden zari border. And the price for this saree is 27,500. So this goes our black color saree, Kanchipattu brocade saree in beautiful black color andi and golden zari work all over the saree. Floral motifs lo icharu and red color border icharu. So black and red is always a beautiful color combination. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Red color brocade blouse with a big border, golden zari work lo chesaru. And the price for this saree is 39,500. Here goes our beautiful sea green color saree. And ikkada manaki checks motif icharu golden zari work lo. And this side we have a small border which is pink color. So this side we have got a 4-inch border. And this is the pallu. And pink color blouse icharu with golden zari border. And the price for this saree is 26,500. This goes our next saree in beautiful blue color అండి, but I can also see copper color shade. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి డబుల్ షేడెడ్ సారీ ఇచ్చారు. సో స్కై బ్లూ కలర్ ప్లస్ కాపర్ కలర్ షేడ్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ యూ గాట్ ఫ్లోరల్ మోటివ్స్ అండి ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద సారీ. And we have got orange color border అండి, big border this side and a small border this side. And this is the pallu. And we have got orange color blouse. So this is how the blouse is. And the price for this saree 38,500. So this is a beautiful sea green color andi. Check motifs lo icharu and check lopala fillings icharu, floral fillings and rudraj fillings. So these are small checks. And we have got these checks in golden zari work andi, and fillings vachesi silver zari work lo icharu. And you've got small border this side, self border, golden zari work on it, and a big border this side. And you have got a sea blue color border like finishing on it. And this is the pallu. And you've got this blouse. And coming to the price, this is 38,500. So this is our navy blue color saree andi, check motifs lo icharu. So these are just checks and mata with pure golden zari work. And we have got orange color contrast border. This side we have a very small border, this side we have a small border. Mango motifs icharu golden zari work lo. And this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi manaki orange color lo icharu with the border. And coming to the price, this is 26,500. So this is our next and last saree from Kutch Pattu and Brocade collection andi. So this is our beautiful red color saree here, and we have all Rudraksha motifs and mata with golden zari work on it, and self border which is yellow color and golden zari work icharu. So very beautiful color combination, traditional color and traditional saree of course. And this is the pallu part. This is the blouse. Contrast yellow color lo icharu, golden zari border lo. And the price for this saree is 32,500. So that was the last saree. So this is the contact number for you to contact us for placing the. If you have any query information, so this is our contact number andi. And to place the order for the saree, you have to take a screenshot and send it to us on this WhatsApp number, and our sales team will be there to assist you happily. And we have mentioned the Google Pay number as well, so you could screenshot these handy ga petkondi. So that's all for now from beautiful Kutch Pattu and Brocade collection. So till then, I will soon get back to you again. So till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.